सेफ्टी पार्क है सर ये। इंडस्ट्री के अंदर जितने भी तरीके के अलग अलग हाई रिस्क एक्टिविटी और नॉर्मल एक्टिविटीज़ होती है ना, उसके लिए क्या सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस हम जनरली इंडस्ट्री के अंदर लेते हैं, उसका अवेयरनेस देने के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ये जो है हमने पूरा सेटअप रेडी किया हुआ है। सो वी हैव गॉट लाइक 25 मॉडल्स आर देयर हियर। हम यहाँ अगर देखेंगे एक लाइन से अगर देखेंगे देयर आर 25 मॉडल्स। ये बेसिक सर हम जानते होंगे, हेनरिच ट्रायंगल हो गया, हायरार्की ऑफ कंट्रोल हो गया, ये वर्कर्स को एजुकेट करने के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। देन हमारा ये मंथली डेटा यहाँ पे अपडेट होता है, कितना नियर मिस रिपोर्ट हुआ है, कितने ऑब्जर्वेशंस, ट्रेनिंग कितना लिया, मॉक ड्रिल्स कितना किया, एवरीथिंग, लीडिंग इंडिकेटर्स, लैगिंग इंडिकेटर्स बोथ।
Very good. Fantastic system you have created. It's fantastic. It is fantastic.
ये these are basic PPEs sir. These are all the mandatory PPEs जो एक वर्कर को प्लांट के अंदर पहनना ही पहनना है। एंड स्पेसिफिक टू जॉब लोकेशन जो चेंज होगा, जहाँ पे डस्ट है तो डस्ट मास्क पहनना है, काइंड ऑफ थिंग। ये एक छोटा सा गेम है सर, एक्चुअली इट्स यूजर इंटरफेस के साथ में है सर। वी हैव गॉट 10 लाइफ सेविंग सेफ्टी रूल्स। सो वी हैव, यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे 15 LSSR आर देयर।
करेक्ट।
सो वर्कर इज सपोज टू, पहले ट्रेनिंग लेते हैं सर हमारे यहाँ, देन इधर आते हैं।
अंडरस्टूड।
सो दे नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई जो सही है, सही इधर सिलेक्ट करते हैं।
ये लोग टेस्ट करते हैं,
हम लोग इधर टेस्ट
कि आपको क्या आया है,
क्या सीखा है, नहीं सीखा।
ओह फैंटास्टिक
सर नो जॉब इज एग्जीक्यूटेड विदाउट परमिट। सो दिस आर द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ परमिट जो हमारे यहाँ पे चलते हैं। फ्लोर ओपनिंग है, हाइट वर्क है, एक्सकैवेशन है, हॉट वर्क है, कन्फाइंड स्पेस, ऑल दीज आर मैंडेटरी परमिट्स, IS स्टैंडर्ड, फैक्ट्रीज एक्ट, ऑल कंप्लायंसेस वी इंश्योर सर।
फैंटास्टिक।
दीज आर इलेक्ट्रिकल सेफ्टी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, लॉकआउट टैग आउट जो हम लोग करते हैं, हजार्डस एनर्जी का आइसोलेशन। सो उसको लिए क्या डिफरेंट टूल्स हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं, कैसे लॉक से, हास्प है, वॉल्व को लॉक करने के लिए अरेंजमेंट है, लीवर टाइप के वॉल्व को, ऑल दोस थिंग्स।
लागोड उसका
एवरी मॉडल के बाजू में उसका
इंफॉर्मेशन डिस्क्रिप्शन। यस यस।
इलेक्ट्रिकल सेफ्टी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या क्या प्रोटेक्शन के लिए रिलेज लगते हैं, करंट ट्रांसफार्मर्स है, देन
so once a person comes into the safety park, he'll get a reasonable idea कि at least what
electrical, mechanical, civil and everything point of view there are like we have demonstrations. So this is a live model sir. This is actually breaker है ये। इसका ऑपरेशन कैसे होता है, रैकिंग कैसे करना है, रैकआउट कैसे करना है, क्या प्रिकॉशंस।
So they get a hands on practice here before touching the kind of a simulation इनके लिए।
This is also working model,
chlorine safety,
chlorine absorption system,
chlorine absorption system, yes, very nice, and then information about it. Conveyor safety, yes.
Conveyor safety, because coal handling is one of the largest
part of it.
area of a thermal power plant.
Yes.
So conveyor belt जब चलता है तो क्या क्या precautions उसके अंदर होते हैं, क्या क्या safety के equipments उसमें।
They'll get a first hand idea, na? Yeah, I can see the motor is there.
Yeah, this also
I think it's a running model,
and
they'll get to know how really it works. Oh, fantastic.
This is regarding excavation.
Excavation.
Different types of excavation, then the how protections to be taken so that soil collapse नहीं होना है, shoring type, benching type, sloping type.
Yes, yes. So which kind of equipment they use there?
We have got this HFO and LDO setup here. So it's firefighting system कैसे function करता है, in case of fire, spray system कैसे चालू होगा, cooling system, foam pourer system. So this is all about.
But actually it's a good idea. Every industry should have one सेफ्टी पार्क। आपने बहुत ब्यूटीफुल मॉडल बनाया, रियली अप्रिशिएबल इट इज।
दिस वाज आवर ड्रीम सर। इवन
इट इज रियली,
इवन द्विवेदी साहब, यू मस्ट बी नोइंग द्विवेदी सर, के द्विवेदी सर, ही हैज आल्सो अप्रिशिएटेड द वे
फैंटास्टिक
डन इट। कन्फाइंड स्पेस का सेफ्टी के लिए कैसे ट्राइपॉड है अगर रेस्क्यू करना है, एंड क्रॉस वेंटिलेशन कैसे इंश्योर करना है,
फैंस एंड एवरीथिंग इज, एंड इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दैट।
रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन सर, इन केस अगर वर्क एट हाइट पे या नेगेटिव एलिवेशन में कोई फंस जाता है, सो दीज आर ऑल इक्विपमेंट्स वी हैव मेंटेन्ड विद अस।
ओहो,
this is only demonstration, but real equipments we do have.
Correct.
So we use, and
so people should know how to use different clips and hooks and everything.
Polarist.
Otherwise, last moment they cannot use it, no?
No.
So they should have a hands-on practice before, so that they use it in time.
Weekly basis, my team is practicing रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन हो गया एंड एवरी सारे अलग अलग तरीके के जो
These
ड्रिल्स
are the
होते हैं,
different places how to reach.
वर्क एट हाइट,
Work at height,
क्या
yes.
प्रिकॉशंस हमको लेना है.
Work at height, yes. Height work.
Technology, I must appreciate, sir, the way we are integrating technology with safety actually.
Machine guarding safety.
So this is like now majority of the guards we have integrated with the equipment itself.
itself.
If someone tries to open this guard now, equipment will trip. This is also a running model actually.
अच्छा, running model.
So by mistake also किसी का हाथ हो गया या कोई लूज ऑब्जेक्ट उधर जाने का ऐसा नहीं.
So it will trip the
It will trip the
automatically.
equipment itself.
Wow, fantastic.
Chemical safety, sir.
Very good.
Safety shower, different types
So
of
how
safety
to-
shower.
हाँ.
Body wash, only eye wash. Portable type, sir. You might not have seen that one, which is on the wall.
हाँ.
जहाँ पे मेरा पानी का लाइन नहीं जा सकता है रिमोट एरियाज में.
हाँ.
So it is टैंक फिल्ड
ओहो.
and उसको
Yeah, very small confined places you can go.
So if I open this just one,
हाँ.
so this will water will come and we can
Oh.
utilize for eye shower.
This is a fantastic idea.
This is a ready-made product, sir.
Yes. No, but products are available.
Products are available.
Understanding and placing them, it's very important, no? Gas cutting safety.
Gas cutting safety, sir. The PP is to be used during gas cutting.
What all things you to use, supposed to use?
Double regulator.
Aprons, regulator,
Yes.
the guns, cutting guns, tubing, junctions.
And the torch one is, sir.
हाँ.
That is the latest torch actually.
अच्छा अच्छा
That
लग
three nozzle mixing torch it is called. So there is no possibility of having any kind of
leakage.
explosion in the hand
Explosion
itself.
in the hand. That's why that the hand knob is very strong and made. It has two valve also.
It has to work.
Yes. Yeah, it's a big fire hazard, no?
Yeah, we have, sir.
Because
Hydrogen
oxyacetylene
Yeah.
and hydrogen, these gases highly exploding.
Oxyacetylene, hydrogen, and this LDOHFO.
LDOH also, yeah, that is also can explode.
Grinding machine.
Grinding machine.
Cutting machine. So
Yes.
all like.
Actually, new worker joins, you should put them here only
Sir.
and get a certification done to them.
We do it, sir.
Yeah,
we do it.
because
As and when it
Once he can explain all these, if he understands, he is fit to work in any hazardous environment.
This is regarding welding, sir.
Welding, yeah, I can make out. This is all arc welding.
Yeah.
This is arc welding where you can see eye protection is very important.
So there is something again the new technology that VRD you can see. That
Yes,
is
yes.
Voltage regulating.
Yeah,
device.
yeah, correct.
So whenever welding
Portability.
Is, हाँ,
Especially it's a portability because it works with the DC, no?
So working model, sir. These are all the different
Fire
types of
alarm.
alarm systems that are installed with us.
Achha, you
Smoke
have a
detector,
smoke,
LHS,
LHS gas, okay.
then manual call point,
Manual call
and this is
point.
beam detector. If I cut
Ah.
this, alarm will pop up.
Okay.
So there is a transmitter and here is a receiver.
Yeah, yeah,
If it
understood.
comes in between, it will pop up the alarm. This is also working model actually.
So how the alarm system works? Very good.
These are all different fighting
Different
systems. sir.
firefighting
Reactive
systems.
means once fire occurs, then these are
Yes,
all
yes,
what
yes.
we have installed.
The standard system.
These are all standard systems.
And you have displayed in the board that where these points are
Entire
located.
system. So this is my plant layout. Complete plant layout with.
So if they have picture of this
Yeah.
in their phone, they can go and open it anytime.
anytime, wherever it is.
Very good, excellent. Hoses,
Yeah.
How to
different
use
type of extinguishers.
extinguishers,
Which one is to be
foam,
used,
ABC, carbon dioxide, water. Yeah.
These are different extinguishers, sir.
And
You
you
can
have
see,
you
sir,
have
yeah.
covered almost everything.
Different types of branches we have, sir. These are all different branches we have, sir. Actually,
Yeah, yeah,
and these are the real photographs. Only यहाँ पे demonstration के लिए थोड़ा कम रखा हुआ है.
yeah. Understood.
This is regarding road safety.
Road safety, very important.
Yesterday you have crossed this square.
This should be in the school. This, especially this road safety,
Road safety.
should be in the school. Every school, even LKG onward, they should put this area and then educate
Very
them.
important, sir. Because this is ignored part in your
Because this
education
you have to
system.
learn in younger age, not in 30 years, 40 years.
This one model is dedicated to our corporate social responsibility.
Ah,
sir.
okay,
So we are
okay,
basically working towards
So where,
skill
which all
development.
projects you are doing and everything. Okay.
Skill development is there, coaching
Yes,
is
yes,
there,
coaching,
health
teaching,
is there,
training.
sir. So these are all the
Health
functions,
awareness program,
where
yes.
our corporate social responsibility team is working.
Fantastic.
Because this is a short height, but this is a
This can go very high, no?
demonstration
depending
of the actual one which is supposed to be there
Actual one.
with all its components.
Okay.
Minimum.
So when they climb, how to climb and what
Yes.
can happen during scaffoldings. Oh, this whole park really educates complete safety of a thermal power industry. In fact, in any industry, most of these are used. I think I appreciate you. It's a really fantastic one.
And the basic what idea was so that the people staying here can have their evening walk or the morning walk. So that's why we have developed this track also around here. And sir, this open land which is here, not this lawn actually.
Yes.
So every month, first working day, all my 1,000 workers are assembling here.
Oh.
And we are addressing them with what are all the positives that we have achieved, where we had done mistake, where we need to improve.
Correct.
We appreciate not less than 20 to 25 people here every month in front of everyone, to all those who have done a very good job in terms of safety.
Fantastic.